For decades, residents of Taos, New Mexico, have reported hearing a strange, low-frequency hum, one that no one can trace. The sound is so persistent that it's driven some people to leave town. It's been heard by about 2% of the population, but there's no clear source. Some say it's caused by underground machinery. Others claim it's a psychological phenomenon. No scientific explanation has been found, and the hum continues to haunt this small desert town. What's causing the Taos Hum? The mystery lingers to this day.